Warning, the following video is meant for entertainment purposes only. If you are easily offended or aggravated by original Dobo video content or creations, please avoid this video and consult with your doctor. Now that that's out of the way, please enjoy the clip and remember, just have a good time. It's all in good fun. And I don't actually ever hate anybody that's named Danny. You know, if it's one thing the Autel Evo taught me, it's patience. And from what I can see, a lot of you guys don't have much patience. And honestly, it's driving me to drink. And today's drink is Sweet Baby Java. Let's talk about why you all just need to chill out a little bit about unreleased drones. Stick around. What's good, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Ken and you are watching Original Dobo. I had to get myself something to drink, just sort of I feel like to take the edge off with this one because I'm gonna piss a lot of people off. So if I'm gonna do that, I want to at least have a drink. It may be my last, but every single day for the past month or so, Autel has been sort of advertising the Evo 2. And obviously this is well after the fact that they delayed the initial release for unspecified reasons, right? They really didn't give anybody any reason. But part of the highlight of my day is when they post about the Evo 2, I like to go and wait and watch and see how many people ask, when is it going to be released? And how many people complain that they are dropping the ball. And then those same people compare it to the Evo 1 release, which is this right here. So this was announced at CES 2018, I can't really remember. I think it was 2018. Anyways, so this was announced 2018 CES and it didn't come out until June. So we're nowhere near that type of time frame, but obviously this is made in China. When this was made in China, we didn't have the outbreak that we have right now to contend with. So there's a lot of circumstances that are affecting a lot of companies, not just Autel, but Autel looks to be pretty close to releasing the Evo 2. I wouldn't think that they wouldn't be, but it's just comical to read the comments from so many of you getting so mad about a drone that is not released. I gotta ask a serious question, and I'm only asking because I just want serious responses. You know, what does this unreleased drone do for you if you get it tomorrow? What does it do for you? Chances are probably nothing, because what are you gonna do? Is it going to get you more business? No, not gonna get you more business. Is it gonna make you a better pilot? Not gonna make you a better pilot. Is it going to make your videos stand out? Is your grandma or mother going to say, man, did you use the Evo 2 on that? Probably not. Maddie doesn't care. She doesn't care. She doesn't care that you used the Evo 2. Nobody's gonna know what drone you used. But yet so many of you are whining like little babies about a drone that's not released. It's actually pretty pathetic that grown men get so upset about products that aren't released. And it takes me, an asshole, an absolute asshole, to put you in your place. Listen, there's a lot of worse things than waiting for a product to come out. Wouldn't you rather have a product be ready to go, no issues, no problems, and just to enjoy it and be bug-free and hassle-free, right? Pretty simple. But no, you guys would rather rush and bother a company over ETAs and timing and delivery. In software, one of my biggest rules is to never provide a client with an ETA. I don't like ETAs. ETAs mean I have to provide a tentative time frame in which I'm going to deliver said product. And with software, things can always go wrong. And they usually do. They usually do go wrong. So just relax. When it's ready, it's ready. And if I didn't know any better, Autel would not be teasing the Evo 2 if it wasn't ready to ship. So if you think about it this way, glass half full, it's probably pretty close to being released. And maybe the coronavirus had nothing to do with the reason why the Evo was delayed in the first place. Did you ever think of that? Probably not. Did you think about that, Danny? You didn't think about that. I mentioned you. I went there, and I'll go there again. Go ahead. Make my day. Ooh, oh. All right, so anyways, as I spill beer, see what you do? Damn it, Danny. Damn it, Danny. Danny! Danny! Made me spill a perfectly good beer. Son of a gun. Anyways, the whole point of this video is just to show you that relax. It's gonna come and it's gonna be perfect. We're not in the same predicament that we were the previous year with the Evo 1. It's nowhere near that, I promise you. And the fact that they did allow people to have these and to test and fly with them means that, I'm sorry, I'm watching a beer spill over. My wife's gonna be pissed. It's all over the carpet. But the fact is that we're nowhere near the same situation that we were last time, because this is a finished product in the Evo 2. It's just they gotta ship it. And again, if they don't wanna share why they aren't shipping, that's up to them. If they wanna still post on their social media, that's up to them, because at the end of the day, they are still a business that has to be relevant, has to advertise, and has to keep consumers interested. This is why you don't drink and film. So bear that in mind. But constantly badgering for updates, it just makes you look silly. About as silly as I look making this video, spilling a beer, wiping it all over myself. Now I have to clean my carpets. Okay? Stop. Just chill out. Everybody just chill. Got bigger fish to fry. Like, did you put your comments in for March 2nd? If you haven't did that, don't worry about the Evo 2. I don't want to see none of you guys buy the Evo 2 if you didn't put comments in. All right. That's going to do it. I got to stop with these videos. I got to